HDMI cables ensure reliable, high-quality connections, offering flexible lengths for TVs, monitors, gaming consoles, and other devices. My today's video is about top 5 best HDMI length cable that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Ugreen HDMI length cable. This HDMI 2.1 certified cable is an excellent choice for high-end gaming and home entertainment setups. Supporting up to 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, it delivers impressive resolutions including 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 240 Hz, providing sharper details and smoother motion than standard HDMI connections. Features such as VRR, QFT, ALLM, and QMS help reduce display latency, screen tearing, and switching delays for a more responsive viewing experience. Dynamic HDR with 12-bit color accuracy produces realistic images with enhanced brightness and detail, while eARC supports high-resolution audio formats such as Dolby Atmos and DTS. The cable also supports HDCP 2.3/2.2, Ethernet, and 3D content. Built with an aluminum alloy housing, nickel-plated connectors, and a durable nylon braided jacket, it offers excellent flexibility and long-term durability. Wide compatibility with PS5, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, Apple TV, PCs, TVs, projectors, monitors, soundbars, and more makes it highly versatile. Overall, it delivers reliable performance for demanding modern devices. Now our second product is Highwings HDMI length cable. The Highwings ultra-high-speed HDMI 2.1 cable is an excellent choice for gamers, home theater enthusiasts, and anyone seeking high-quality video performance. Supporting up to 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 240 Hz, and 4K at 120 Hz, it delivers sharp, detailed visuals with smooth motion. Its impressive 48 gigabits per second bandwidth helps reduce frame drops and signal interruptions while ensuring fast, stable data transmission. The cable is also backward compatible with HDMI 2.0, 1.4, 1.3, and earlier versions, providing excellent versatility with different devices. For gaming, its support for variable refresh rate technology helps produce smoother gameplay and makes better use of modern graphics cards and CPUs. Durability is another highlight, featuring a reinforced anti-bending design and military-grade tensile nylon material for improved flexibility and long-term reliability. Each component undergoes rigorous performance testing to ensure dependable quality. Overall, this HDMI 2.1 cable offers excellent speed, impressive resolution support, smooth gaming performance, and durable construction. Our third product is Silkland HDMI length cable. This HDMI 2.1 certified cable is an excellent choice for gamers and home entertainment enthusiasts who demand high-performance connectivity. Supporting 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, it delivers smooth, reliable transmission for demanding resolutions, including 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 144 Hz, 4K at 120 Hz, and 2K at 240 Hz. It is particularly well suited for PS5, Xbox, and gaming PCs, providing responsive gameplay with high refresh rates when supported by compatible games and devices. Dynamic HDR enhances contrast and detail, creating more lifelike visuals, while support for Dolby Atmos, DTS, and eARC/ARC delivers immersive audio. The exclusive eBraid construction combines double-layer fishnet winding, nylon braiding, copper cores, and ferrite beads to improve durability and help reduce flickering and signal interruptions. Its broad resolution support makes it versatile for modern TVs, monitors, and consoles. Overall, this cable offers excellent bandwidth, impressive gaming performance, enhanced audio and video quality, and durable construction for demanding entertainment setups. Now number 4, SnowKids HDMI length cable. The SnowKids HDMI 2.1 cable is a reliable choice for high-performance home entertainment, gaming, and office setups. Fully certified to HDMI 2.1 standards, it supports 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 120 Hz, 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, HDR, 3D, Ethernet, and advanced features such as eARC, VRR, QFT, QMS, ALLM, and DSC. It also delivers immersive audio with True HD 7.1 support. Backward compatibility with earlier HDMI versions makes it versatile for HD TVs, monitors, laptops, PS5, Xbox, projectors, Blu-ray players, and more. The included HDMI anti-slip strips help secure connections, while 24K gold-plated connectors provide reliable signal transmission. Its military-grade tensile nylon and SR flexible strength design are engineered to withstand up to 25,000 bends, offering impressive durability for long-term use. Rigorous laboratory testing further adds confidence in its performance. Overall, this 10-foot HDMI cable combines high-speed transmission, broad compatibility, durability, and advanced audiovisual support for demanding users. And our last choice is Cabar HDMI length cable. This upgraded 8K HDMI 2.1 cable is an excellent choice for gamers, home theater enthusiasts, and anyone seeking reliable high-speed connectivity. Supporting up to 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, it handles impressive resolutions including 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, along with dynamic HDR and 12-bit color processing for vibrant, detailed visuals. Advanced features such as eARC, VRR, QFT, ALLM, QMS, DTS, 3D, and HDCP 2.2/2.3 help deliver smoother gameplay, reduced screen tearing, and immersive audiovisual performance. Its broad compatibility makes it suitable for HD TVs, projectors, laptops, monitors, PCs, and other HDMI-equipped devices, while backward compatibility with earlier HDMI versions adds flexibility. For dependable signal transmission, the cable combines 24K gold-plated connectors, an aluminum shell, thick copper wires, and multi-layer shielding to reduce interference and improve heat dissipation. The high-strength nylon braided exterior and reinforced connectors provide excellent durability against everyday bending and wear. Overall, this cable offers impressive performance, versatility, and long-lasting reliability. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.